Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's meditation. Today, we will do silent sitting meditation. Many people ask me this question that when we meditate, we have lots of thoughts coming to our mind. Silent sitting meditation is so simple that you just need to sit silently, close your eyes, just breathe naturally, and bring all your energies inwards. You may notice that your mind is wandering around. You will listen some noise all around. You will think of things that you don't normally think. So do not try to fight over this thought that I must first silence my mind in order to go into meditation. Okay? If you like, you can also watch your breath going out, going in, or just have a little smile on your face, just relaxing, just going inwards. Okay. So find a good place, comfortable place, and sit in a way that is comfortable for you. You can sit cross-legged, you can sit on a chair, you can sit on a sofa. Okay. Lying down needs to be avoided. You may fall asleep. Okay. So sit comfortably, relax, and close your eyes. And take deep breaths. Maybe put a timer of 5 minutes or 10 minutes in the beginning. If you like, you can keep your mouth slightly open. You can also put some nice soft music. There is no need to concentrate onto anything. Just being relaxed. If you like, you can also touch some fingers with each other. You can also sit with your feet like this. You will notice your breathing may slow down. It's okay. Or maybe you need to take deep breaths. That's also okay. Just doing nothing, just being relaxed and bringing all the energies inwards. No need to be bothered about all the thoughts going on in your mind. This is also called Zazen, just doing nothing, sitting silently. And before you come back, take few deep breaths and slowly open your eyes. If you have any questions, write in the comments below. And please share and subscribe Love Channel. Thank you.